Napuno ng saya at katatawanan ang pagdiriwang ng Migrant Workers Day 2024. Isang malaking blowout daw ito para sa mga itinuturing na bagong bayani ng ating bansa. Nakisaya sa event si TikTok Lock host Donita Knows. Dumating din para bumati si Miss Universe Philippines 2024 Chelsea Manalo. Kasama niya ang mga Miss Universe Philippines Queens na sina Miss Supranational Philippines 2025 Tara May Valencia, Miss Eco International Philippines 2025 Alexi Brooks, Miss Charm Philippines 2025 Cyril Payumo, at Miss Cosmo Philippines 2024 Atisa Manalo. Ang newly crowned queens at DMW lumagda ng Memorandum of Agreement para magtulungang iangat ang kabuhayan ng mga OFW.
We are engaging the beauty queens to be ambassadors of financial education, welfare and protection. And the beauty queens will also visit OFW families in the ground, talk to OFW children, especially the OFW daughters, and even the OFW sons who need a boost, a morale boost, and also affirm their self-esteem as they are children of OFWs, para they can cope with the absence of love.
I think that as beauty queens, as Miss Philippines, it is important for us to work with different organizations just to be able to use our platform for the betterment of the society.
Dama raw ni Chelsea ang pangangailangan ng mga OFW at kanilang mga mahal sa buhay.
Somehow it is very close to my heart. You know, I have a dad po na who was also an OFW, nagtrabaho din siya sa ibang bansa. Na experience ko din yung mawalay with my dad. Actually, yung dad ko po is 10 years naman siya OFW sa Singapore.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.